Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi 12R and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first open your phone dialer and go to keypad. So if you're in any other panel, just open keypad. Here is the place where we can enter secret codes. The first one is *pound, 6 pound. As you can see, this one will provide you with device information, so if you want to check your email or serial number, just enter this short code and here it is. Tap on OK to exit. And the second code that I would like to show you today is *pound, double 25. Let me do it one more time. *pound, pound, double 5 pound, pound. And here we've got the calendar info. So as you can see, we've got some email number added here. However, if you have more, if you have your Gmail, Apple account and so on connected with this device, you will be able to see all upcoming events over here, all stored on those calendar storage, also on this device. So it's at the top of the list. So this is it. So you can reach calendar info on your phone. And another code that you can use it is *pound, 426 pound. And here you've got FCM diagnostics, where you can check events and status. So if you want to check some more data, if you want to get some advanced info, tap on more and select advanced view. And now you've got more information regarding your device. So that's it. And actually, these are all codes I want to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.